Hi, my name is Elena, and today we will be learning about the flea life cycle. The flea life cycle involves 4 stages: egg, larva, pupa, and adult. Each stage has its own unique characteristics and adaptations that allow the flea to survive and reproduce. Understanding the flea life cycle is important for controlling flea infestations and preventing their spread to other animals. The flea life cycle begins when a female flea lays her eggs on the host animal. Fleas lay their eggs in batches of up to 50 at a time, and can lay up to 2,000 eggs in their lifetime. The eggs are small, white, and oval-shaped, and are typically laid in the fur of the host animal, where they are protected from environmental factors and predators. Flea eggs are not sticky and can easily fall off the host onto the surrounding environment, such as bedding, carpets, or furniture. The eggs hatch into larvae within 1 to 12 days, depending on environmental conditions such as temperature and humidity. Flea larvae are small, white, and worm-like in appearance. They are blind, have no legs, and avoid light, which is why they tend to hide in dark, warm places, such as bedding or carpets. The larvae feed on organic matter, such as flea feces, which contains undigested blood from the host. The larvae grow and develop for 5 to 15 days, shedding their skin several times, until they reach a length of about 6 millimeters. At this stage, the larvae spin a cocoon and enter the pupal stage. In the pupal stage, the flea larvae spin a cocoon around themselves, which protects them from external environmental conditions. The cocoon is made of a sticky, silken substance that incorporates debris from the environment, making it difficult to detect. Flea pupae can remain dormant in their cocoons for several weeks to several months, depending on environmental conditions. The following factors can encourage flea pupae to hatch: vibrations. Flea pupae are sensitive to vibrations and can be triggered to hatch by the movement of potential hosts or other disturbances in their environment. Temperature. Flea pupae develop more quickly in warm environments and may hatch sooner if the temperature is favorable. Optimal temperature for flea development is between 18 to 27 degrees Celsius, and they cannot survive extreme temperatures 35 degrees Celsius or below freezing. Humidity. Flea pupae require a certain level of humidity to hatch, but too much humidity can be detrimental. Relative humidity between 50 to 75% is optimal for flea development. Carbon dioxide. Flea pupae are attracted to carbon dioxide, which is emitted by potential hosts during respiration. An increase in carbon dioxide concentration can trigger the pupae to hatch. Presence of potential hosts. The presence of potential hosts, such as dogs or cats, can encourage flea pupae to hatch. The vibrations, heat, and carbon dioxide produced by the host animal can signal the fleas that a suitable host is nearby. It's important to note that while these factors can encourage flea pupae to hatch, there is no guaranteed way to induce hatching. When favorable conditions are present, the flea undergoes metamorphosis and transforms into an adult flea. The pupal stage is the most resistant stage of the flea life cycle and can survive for up to a year. Once the adult flea emerges from the pupa, it immediately seeks a host animal to feed on. Fleas are attracted to the warmth and carbon dioxide emitted by animals, which helps them to locate a host. Adult fleas are small, dark brown or black, and are wingless but highly mobile. They have strong legs that allow them to jump long distances, up to 150 times their body length. Once a host is found, the flea begins to feed on the host's blood, which is necessary for its survival and reproduction. Female fleas can lay eggs within 24 to 48 hours of their first blood meal, which starts the life cycle over again. Want to learn more? Scan these QR codes to learn more about the flea life cycle.